Imagine being able to solve this problem in one single pass. No nested loops, no brute force, just a simple hash table trick. Let's break it down. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving one of the most popular coding interview problems, the two sum problem using a hash table. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand why and how hash tables make this solution extremely efficient. Here we are given an array and a target value. You need to find two numbers such that their sum equals the given target, and we should return their indices, not the values. The most straightforward solution is to check every pair of numbers. This works. You can see we got the expected output, but there is an issue. The issue is the time complexity of the algorithm we just write is big of n squared. So if the array has, let's say, 100,000 elements, this approach becomes extremely slow. We can do much better by using a hash table, also known as a dictionary in Python. For every number, instead of searching the entire array, we calculate the complement and check if we have already seen it. This is the idea we are going to follow to solve this more efficiently. Now let's write the optimized solution using a dictionary. You can see we can get the exact same output with this algorithm as well. And here the thing is, we just find the solution with a single pass. Again, let's consider our problem. We have numbers array nums equals to 7, 11 and 15. Then we have a target. Here it is 9. So at the beginning, our dictionary, our table is empty. Then we go to the first iteration where I equals 0. Then at that moment the number is 2. and the complement is 9 minus 2 equals 7, and we check whether there is a entry in the table for the value 7, and the table is empty, so we don't have a value for 7. Hence, what we are going to do is we are going to update the table, making by adding value 2 is available in the 0th index. Then we move to the next iteration. In the next iteration, the number is 7 and the complement is 2. Now we check whether 2 is available in the table, and yes, it is. Since it is available, we know the index of the complement, and that is 0, and we also know the current numbers index, and that is 1. So that means we have found two numbers that sum up to the target value. So this is the final answer, and the key takeaway is when we use a hash table, the time complexity is big O of n. Also, the space complexity is big O of n, and the most important thing is this time complexity, and this is a huge improvement over big O of n squared, which we obtained for the brute force method. If this video helped you understand hash tables better, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. If you like more coding interview problems explained like this, see you in the next one. Happy coding!